Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are doing a double header today. I have two hats on. I have an EV channel, Everyday Electric Rides, where I'll be featuring a Model X as my primary car of travel. For today's video, this is Sounds and Sights Media. It's my other YouTube channel where I do unboxings, product reviews, and trade show interviews. So today, I'm going to wear this hat. We're going to be unboxing a cart that I received in exchange for me to do an unboxing and another video showing how I'm going to use it. But this first box, I believe, is the accessories. This is the Selens Cart Workstation. I saw them at B&H Build Expo. Everybody seems really nice. We are doing an unboxing on top of a garage in Lexington, Massachusetts. Official unboxing after I lay it down. Weighs a lot. Put the professional strapping. Oh, look at that. The strapping kept the box on. So we're seeing this for the first time. Oh, has wheels. This has Velcro on the bottom, which is, you're supposed to lock it down. So we're going to put this down. It is very heavy. There's two sides, one, two. The back side has little things to put on the ground. It's like 4 little knobs, so it tells you what side you should put it down on. Hooks in the back. Allows you to take it off. So it's hooks on the top and the bottom. So this part is the top because it has the cheese plates on it. So this is a continuation of the unboxing. I believe there's 2 for each shelf. These non-slip pads fit perfectly in the top. So the wheels come in these nice little bags. They feel like felt. I'm assuming they're not felt. Has a quick release in the bottom. Looks very, very nice. So there's 4 poles in this bag. Everything seems extremely well made. There's little numbers, so I'm assuming we can make sure everything is at the same height and be consistent. And those seem like some type of metal. And this one has airy locking pins, which is pretty cool. These must be the crossbars. Everything's black except for the locking knobs. Looks very high end. So what I'm going to do is gently place these on this garage floor so we can put on the wheels. So these don't rotate, so we're going to put these on the same side. Locked. Fixed. Locked. 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 This one has these little notch outs for the wheels that are built in, which is kick butt. The wheels seem like the skateboard quality. So It was pretty easy for the roll on. It is pretty heavy. I think it's 70 pounds, but I'll have it pop up. The bottom has only one connection. Locks right in. Locks right in. On here, shows that that's where it locks. The wheels are very, very nice. I think I'm pretty lucky that this is my first ever cart and it's this nice. Very well designed. So far, everything is going extremely smooth. As we saw, this is the first time that I've ever used this. But all the connections to the outside, so they're not locked. Bottom out, bottom out. Locked, 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 locked. So these are the handles that come with it. There's two of them. And you twist them counterclockwise. I have them all the way butted up to the very top. I have the handle going on the inside. No tools required, which everybody should appreciate that. And this is very heavy duty. I believe the payload is very, very high. So what I might do is I might have them come out to the side so they don't interfere in the bottom. And as you saw, we did not have to use the manual, but they do have a manual that is currently in 3 or 4 different languages, which makes it handy because they are an old company. Everything I see is they have 4 wheels, 2 shelves, 4 poles, and 2 side connectors and 2 handles. So that was all in there. And this was in the bag. Because I did everything correctly except for they want you to install the wheels after the cart's put together, but I thought it was easier without doing that. Let's take this for a little spin to see how this feels. Very smooth. And twisting in keeps the handles nice and tight. I love the matte black. I'm not really bent over. I pretty much can stay straight up. Pneumatic wheels feel really, really nice. So this is the Selens smallest cart. I believe it's a 30-inch. I just put it together out of the box. It's called the Baby Station. It has 2 fixed wheels, and these 2 that you see now, they are the ones that you can steer it. I find it easier to steer from the back. And it has oh, that's nice. I didn't know it did all that. Whoa. So this has, you put it down here and then it stays up out of your way. So you have your keyboard, maybe you have your laptop, or maybe you just have your laptop. And then back here, you can take these caps off and put on their accessory device that you can put on some monitors. And then when you put it back up, I think that's pretty cool that it stayed down like that. Nice.